Hi, my name is Brenda Doer, and today is January 28, 2019, and I am performing the Methyl Red and the Voges-Proskauer test, as well as the catalase test. Biochemical testing identifies various metabolic properties of different bacteria species. There is 3 types of testings. There is the Methyl Red, the Voges-Proskauer, and the catalase test, which we'll be performing on this video. The Methyl Red identifies microbes that perform mixed acid fermentation, which means that it's an anaerobic metabolic process that produces lactic acid, acetic acid, ethanol, carbon dioxide, and hydrogen gas. The Voges-Proskauer testing identifies microbes that ferment glucose via butanediol pathway. The difference between those 2 tests, it's the Barrett's reagents. This one is used for the Voges-Proskauer test. For the Methyl Red, it's the Methyl Red that is used for that test. And then these are the Barrett's reagents. Reagent A and reagent B. The catalase test is when hydrogen peroxide is added to a colony of catalase positive microbes, also known as aerobic, will promote oxygen bubbles very quickly. And if it's catalase negative, it won't produce any bubbles. For now, I have my place set up, and I will continue filming in a bit once I get everything else together. Okay, so I have my candle lit. I have my E. coli and then the S. epidermis cultures broth. I have one of the pipettes already dried, and then the other one I'll go ahead and have dry up as well. On the MRVP broth, I already labeled what will pertain in here, which is the E. coli in this one, and then the S. epidermis in this one. So I'll have to sterilize the E. coli. I'll sterilize the MRVP broth. And I'll withdraw some of the E. coli and then add 4 drops to this MRVP broth. 1, 2, 3, 4. one. And now I will be doing the S epidermis. This is the nutrient broth, and this is the MRVP broth. I'm sterilizing, trying to work as fast as I can, and again I will withdraw and add 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Putting it back in the alcohol for now because my undiluted bleach is out of reach. I went ahead and sterilized it again. I'm sterilizing this other one as well. So now I will go ahead and incubate my vials for 48 hours and see what the result is, and I will do a second video from that.